So this is a short video that just will explain how to navigate around the module. So we're going to start with module information. So you'll notice I've clicked on the left hand menu bar, and this enables you to move through the various folders. Within module information, the key information that you require is the module handbook here and the reflective journal here.
And we next click on module content, and this is where you'll find all the folders. We release them over time, so you won't see all of the folders at once. So session 1 is a face-to-face module. If you click on there, you'll find all the PowerPoint presentations that we use on each of the face-to-face days. And then we've also got some things for you to do, like the Belbin questionnaire, some things that you might want to look at, like learning styles, and some access to other resources. So this will be all the information you need for the face-to-face sessions.
And there are 6 folders within module content. Some of them relate to the face-to-face sessions, some relate to the online sessions. So the online session, for example, online session 4. If you click on here, what you'll have are various units that enable you to complete the online materials between the face-to-face sessions. So if we click on one of these online units, which is leadership theories, and you click on desktop users, then this will enable you to see how we've put together the online resources. Each of the slides has a colour coding around the outside, so it enables you to undertake the unit in what we call bite-sized chunks. So if you just wanted to explore trait theory, for example, it's in green. And then if you do several clicks through, you will come to the next one, which is purple, which is style and behaviour. Or if you wanted to navigate again using the left hand menu bar, you could go straight to situational leadership theory, or you could skip straight to contemporary leadership theory at the end.
I think the important thing to remember here that this is a menu. So the idea is that this is bespoke to your learning, and that we give you access to quite a range of resources for you to make your choice about which particular aspects are going to be really pertinent for you in your specific medical leadership role.
So to go back, you click on the top, which is like your breadcrumb trail, and if you keep clicking on here, it'll take you back to where you started, which was module content. Okay. Next on your left is module assessment. If you click on here, this is how you will upload your integrated portfolio when you submit your assignment. We've also posted some student guides and some frequently asked questions.
And the frequently asked questions are really important, aren't they, Charlotte? Because they will give you the information you need to find out the information, and to look at the formative assessment, which is a little bit of reflective writing that you do part way through, and then finally the summative assessment.
Yeah, we'll explain each of these fact sheets on the various days. So on day 1, we'll explain how to navigate around the blackboard. On day 2, we'll explain the formative assessment, and on day 3, we'll explain summative.
Okay. If we move down now, looking at communication, you'll find that on the left-hand menu we have announcements, and this is where we keep in contact with you. So from time to time we'll send you announcements out if there's any changes or if there's anything that you need to be looking at. It will go to your Edgehill email address, so it's important that you do access your Edgehill address on a regular basis.
Okay, after announcements, the next thing to explore is the discussion tool. What we've done is we've linked the various discussion themes to the sessions. So following day 1, for example, we've just asked you to introduce yourself, and then once you've had time to engage with the online resources, we've asked you to consider, for example, what reflection means to you and what you've learned from the medical leadership competency framework.
And if we finally look at learning resources and support, you'll find if you click on the first thing, it's a reading list. Now you will find this in your handbook, which is in module information, but this is a really quick way of getting to the library catalogue, because every one of those is hyperlinked. So we have digital chapters that you can access. We also have e-books, we have ordinary books as well, we have journals. There's a whole range of resources that you'll be able to contact directly from the library catalogue.
Okay, so if we just take you back, we've just clicked on reading list. We also have subject resources and support resources.
The final thing we'll look at is library resources. And you look on the top bar, you'll find a new resource which has everything in one place, and that will take you to access to the library catalogue. If you have a query, there's Ask Us, where you can actually talk to either ring somebody or email somebody with a particular query you have. If you've got problems resetting your password, that's where to go. If you want to study in our library, we've got the availability of PCs. Harvard referencing, this is the referencing style that we use at Edge Hill, so that's all your information for referencing there. Room booking, subject resources, so all the information in one place, accessed from the top bar.